Ano ka ba? Love is a powerful thing. It can change people. Alam niyo yung dad ko, mula nung magkakilala sila ni Mama, huminto yun sa pagyosi. Tsaka, he also started driving slowly, yung mas safe. At kung malalaman lang natin kung saan nga ba talaga nakakita ang love, ano ang source ng love? Maybe it can change all people. Maybe it can change the world. So ano pa bang mas pressing dun? Di ba?
Ang philosophy mo talaga, Sol. Do you even believe that?
Oo naman.
Hindi ko alam na romantic ka pala. Cute mo. Well, good luck sa docu mo. We'll see you sa group study.
Sige. See you.
Bye, guys!
Ano yan?
Hindi ko alam na romantic ka pala.
Ha?
Pero hindi mo man lang pinansin na tinawag ka niya cute.
Sinabi niya ba yun?
Di mo napansin or di mo pinansin?
Ay, hard to get pa to.
Oo, hindi ko nga narinig.
Swabe ko.
Mali ko ba?
Luna Cruz, 5 minutes ACW.
Fuck. Sorry. Hello. Thank you for calling.
I need to talk to your supervisor.
Can I have your card number
Yeah.
and...
Give me your supervisor. You keep on stealing my money, and if you don't refund it to me right this minute, I will call the Better Business Bureau.
I'm sorry to hear that. I totally understand where you're coming from. I'm here to help you.
I do not need your help. Where are you from?
The Philippines?
Oh, great. A bunch of monkeys. Where's your supervisor? Don't